from primary, I was like in a school choir singing alto. I thought I was a thingy, a first soprano, a singer, and then this teacher who was teaching music was like, "Nah, you fall under alto." I was hurt, but it's fine. But I've always like music. Church, I was in a church choir and stuff. So it's always been something I've always wanted to do. Just didn't know what I'm gonna do in the music industry. And then when the DJing thing came, I was like, okay, maybe I can do DJing. But I think I'm very lazy to sing.
Very
So
lazy
DJing
to
was
say.
like a thing for me. I was like, let me just
Okay, so but in filmmaking, which category do you like?
filmmaking. Bro.
Like editing, like directing, choreographer, a
I'm
writer.
not in film that much. I just worked with people who did film. It was
Most of the time.
yeah, because I'm one person. I don't like sitting down. If there's an opportunity for something, and then I can like take part on it, and maybe it's not far from music, I would take part on it. Not that I'm trying to pursue that. I'm just trying to get busy or make connections.
Okay.
Yeah, so
yeah.
that's how it happened.
So, but then why Afro?
Afro.
Yeah.
Good question.
Why Afro?
Oh, okay, good. Okay, good. Let me be honest, now. My young brother, has been a DJ since like the very young age, and he's been playing Afro, and I think I've just been listening to it when he's practicing at home. It's really I really liked it, and then when I started DJing, I thought maybe let me just do Afro too.
And are you still releasing mixtape for the love of music?
I do, and I owe my people a mix. Shem, I haven't uploaded any mix this year, and it's coming.
When was the last time?
Last time was last year June. Because the thing is, the reason I kind of stopped, I was running something called digital music.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I was just working with different DJs. Then so there's a page that I have on Mixcloud. They would give me their mixes and I would upload, and then so I had like different people under my account of Mixcloud. So I was just running that, and then I kind of neglected me mixing in a way. I don't know if that
And
makes sense.
then trust the progress, process the progress.
Yeah, true.
What was happening there?
Which one?
Is it an album or
No.
it's one song?
Which one?
There's this video that you posted on Instagram.
Yeah.
There's this screenshot, but in the background it's a music playing, and then the name it's written "Trust the Process"
Yo, I'm
on
trying.
iCloud or something. Back in 2 years ago, probably.
I don't remember very well. Yeah, but I haven't produced anything yet.
Are you willing?
I feel like I'm. I always tell people that I feel like I'm old to start producing right now. Because when am I gonna perfect it? So I'm kind of like running away from producing, but maybe as time goes, I will. I don't know.
And how often do Afro DJs get booked in events like this?
I don't know if it's luck or just God or my personality, but I usually just get bookings, even if it's paying, even if it's not paying, and I appreciate both because it shows that people do, believe in me and see what I'm doing. So I take both, man. If it makes sense, why not? Let me do it.
And then who was that DJ that played before you and or maybe after you? And then after that you realize that you know what? I was playing trash.
Have I felt that? I don't think I would consider it trash. I would.
Or let me say you're about to go next. And the DJ that's playing now somehow they're scaring you. You no longer trust yourself. There's never been that situation.
Nah. Because the thing is, I really prepare myself, and I don't look at another person, for me to feel good. Because I really do prepare myself for every gig. each and every gig, I really do prepare myself. So whenever I'm gonna go play, I know that okay, this one I prepared for it, and I'm gonna do my best. You know, so nothing like that has ever happened yet. No,
Have you played a back to back before?
I have. It was amazing.
With who?
K. I called her K.
K.
I know how it happened. It was just
She's a girl.
She's a girl. And I was not even booked there. I went to that event, and then when I got there, and I was alone. When I got there, there's like people playing. Then I introduced myself to this guy. It's like, hey, you're a DJ. Do you wanna play? Luckily, I had my memory stick with. I'm like, yeah, why not? And then we played. And they're like, okay, you're gonna do back to back with K. I'm like, okay, cool, let's bring it on. It was my first time actually doing it back to back. It was amazing, and I enjoyed it.
Okay, yeah, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
And what's that place you wish to play? Like that big stage?
You know what
Which
inspired
one?
me to like pursue DJ? It's Deep in the City.
Deep in the City, yeah, I remember.
Yeah, that really inspired me to like, oh, this is really cool, you know. And then, so I feel like for me, if I could play there, Deep in the City in South Africa, like that would be dope for me. Yeah.
Maybe Kunye one day.
Yeah, why not? Kunye is cool. Kunye, things I've never been to Kunye, so I don't know the vibe there, but I know Deep in the City vibe, and I would really.
When did you start DJing?
2020. That's when the whole idea came, like around August, around like July, August. Maybe I should DJ.
2020, and then before full time, what were you doing?
I was working in a
9
gallery.
to 5.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Trejo Tebogo from Turf Loop, but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, LungTrey Studio, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung